Superintendent has arrived in port to inspect his ship, a 20-year-old bulk carrier. There has been a fire on board in the engine room. It has been extinguished successfully by the ship's staff. She was coming in on her own power. He was surprised that there was a fire in the engine room. He had inspected the ship 3 months back and had found the ship was well maintained. Gale Force 8. Ship was rolling and pitching heavily. Flames and thick black smoke seen coming from engine room skylight. Engines stopped. Engine room personnel evacuated. Engine room flooded with CO2 and boundary cooling started. Master and Chief Engineer assessed that the fire has been extinguished. Investigation team entered. Evidence of fire near the main engine turbocharger. Engine room is opened and ventilated. All systems checked and main engine is tried out. Engines on full speed. Superintendent reviews ship's initial reports to try to identify the cause of fire and prevent recurrence. Superintendent notes down significant points about the fire on board as stated in the report. Superintendent boards the vessel on arrival. Chief Engineer briefs him on the events that led to the fire. In the engine room, the duty motorman was collecting oil for routine cleaning from the boiler diesel oil tank. He heard an engine room machinery general alarm. The motorman proceeded to the control room to investigate. He left the oil drum unsecured. Due to rough weather, the oil drum toppled over and oil came in contact with exposed areas of the turbocharger casing. The superintendent understood that while the motorman's carelessness was the obvious cause, the root cause was the poor layout of tanks located above the machinery.